down to my chin. Yeah, the air is really nice. I think it's, well, our ETA is 12:06, but I'm pretty sure it's like 46, 47 degrees right now. And yeah, it's gonna approach, right at 1 is gonna be like 51, 52, 53. But yeah, guys, by 1 o'clock, that's another hour of cycling. We'll be another 10 miles north of here. And by 2 o'clock, by the peak, 2, 3 o'clock is going to be the peak. Yeah, we're going to be another like 20, 30. All right, so it's taking me to follow this trail here, not that trail. 13 minutes left. Oh, new trees planted. Beautiful. Love it. Love it what they're doing here. Train tracks everywhere. Oh wow. Right, so we gotta go across the street here, and I already see a big hill coming up. Wow. Small hills are gonna turn into big hills up right here, guys. All right, so we're now in these big beautiful woods, guys. Hopefully we'll just go all along here and not have to go up in there, because now that's a big hill. Yeah, man, imagine climbing that. No way. Not today, Jose. Yeah. Seems like this trail is gonna take us around this. I don't know what this is, like a conservation. It doesn't say on a Google map or anything, but it's some kind of a water reservoir. Or maybe like a man-made fish pond where they do fish all year round. Something like that. But look, there's so many of them. Or possibly, yeah, just water that they store and then they filter, pass it down to St. Louis. All right, so there is a bit of a hill. Hey guys, look how high we are. Oh. Oh, wow. Wow, guys. Wow, that was quite exhilarating there. Coming down that one. But there's a lot of leaves, guys, on the trail, so when you do stuff like this, make sure you don't brake too hard, because you'll go into a slip and fall. So you might go into a slip. So yeah, don't use your brakes too hard. Key is not to slam on them.